I don't know how, but this place is so pretty and I'm obsessed. We're in the vlog right now.
Are you actually a vlogger?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah, the food was so good. And
Walk on it, they just.
Okay, I have just added few clips of the day one because I was not even vlogging on that day because I know whole 3 days if I vlog it will be too boring for you all. So just see the clips over here, and also these two are my juniors and also them too. Hopefully I guess that you already have seen those two boys in my previous vlog. If you haven't, please do go check that out, guys. Okay, and it was so late, but yeah, it's proper 9:15. Let me go and I'll be telling you all what is gonna happen today. So bye. Okay, I'm so sorry to do that for you all because I was just rushing out. Like I didn't had any time to just tell you all what's gonna happen. But don't worry, I'm just gonna tell everything. And also, it is one of my junior, and yeah, she was worried, but she was late. Okay, coming to the point, we had Sneha ma'am. Okay, she is a lecturer in St. Joseph College of Law, and yeah, she was a speaker too. I was just happy because, dude, you know it, right? Okay. We had break for each and every session, and also we three were just speaking about what happened, and yeah, me just eating biscuits and drinking the coffee. Like, you know, coffee is the best thing ever. Yes. Okay, after this we were heading back towards the hall because, dude, again we were late. I don't know how, but yeah, we were late all the time. Tell hi.
hi guys, welcome to Mandira's YouTube channel.
Cute.
So Mandira is my senior.
Bro.
She's very sweet and so crazy. Crazy, yes. Crazy.
Guys, do you all think that this face is crazy? Can you all see that serious face over there? Just listening to the lecture, like... Okay, I know you all will be thinking, why did I even go to ISI, right? It is nothing but I attended a certificate course for 3 days which was organized by ISI, and also it was about the migrant workers, guys. Okay, I'm just sitting downstairs and waiting for my juniors to come down. And also, like, dude, this place is so pretty. Just wait. I don't know how, but this place is so pretty and I'm obsessed. The one who is coming here, Latif.
No, it's not the first time she has done it, okay? In online classes also. One hour is spoken this. 1 hour
ಕಾಲೇಜು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ
ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
Why did you went? Internship? No, KSLE mandatory internship or for self, personal internship?
But this looks so full.
I like you, I do.
This is what we are eating for lunch. Tracking me. When I have food, no, I'll be smiling no matter what. How come you're starting without eating sweet, bro?
Lucy.
Okay, the lunch break was done, and also we were heading back towards the hall because we had 2 more sessions to go. And also just wait for her to come, like behind me, yeah, behind me, and just tell hi. That is so cute. Okay, I didn't introduce them to you all. Okay, the one next to me is Samiksha and the other girl was Sadaf. And also, guys, wait. I don't know why these two boys do this all the time, okay? Whenever I just start vlogging, they'll be like, no, we're just gonna run away from the camera. This is not only the first thing, okay? Just see in this clip also, just see it. I started to vlog, okay? They were like, we'll go. I don't know what are these juniors doing right now, but yeah, we did people.
What is the meaning of
Discussing about the name, bro. Next level. Come, we'll go. We'll click pictures. She don't want the pictures. This play was so good yesterday, not now. Pose.
Because you said, no, I should be
Okay.
where I do my spec.
You should give me because I'm the photographer. You go, bro. Why are you coming next to me? Yeah. Please do remove your mask.
No.
Please, bro. It's good. See, everyone are without mask. It's fine. It's me who's clicking the picture, and I'm doing a vlog today, and you all are in the vlog right now.
Oh, you're actually a vlogger.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah. This is a video which is getting recorded from. Okay, I know it was too cute, but yeah, we need to come back to the reality of this course. Yeah, point. And also, in this session, we were told to write a complaint based on the topic which we all were assigned to do so. And yeah, just me and my group people discussing about the complaint, and yeah, I'm just writing all of it. Okay, this is just random. Okay, when I saw this clip, the only song which is coming to my mind is like life goes on and on and on and on and on and on. I didn't drink coffee like from past 20 minutes. It was a break time, but I was doing all this work and all. Like, okay, wait, the camera is not good. Yeah, so let's go drink coffee now. Now we are just going back to the players. She's too busy, you know? Yeah.
Hi, welcome to Mangala's channel.
The only thing she's telling, bro.
See,
From past.
From past 2 days, we are working so hard.
In this.
So hard.
Yeah, I know. So.
Just to get. We left our class.
Let's go. Every time they'll be speaking, like best friends.
Benson Road near ISI, Benson Town Post, Bangalore, 560046.
Okay, we all were in different groups because we were divided as such, and also this is me who is just telling about the file. But dude, I'm not even kidding. I don't know why I just forgot that I can't read someone else's handwriting and just went over there and I'm like, dude, what is this word? That is what I did, but it's all fine. I managed somehow and I finished the whole part.
Okay, very good. You can always.
The basic thing is we can't disclose all the identities. So I've already mentioned that I'm Manav representing the board.
So here, putting the letter to labor inspector.
Yeah, because we were told to do so from the also.
But then I
Okay, this course was conducted from 25th to 27th, and also this is the day like Constitution Day, so we all were reading the preamble and the day was ended. But we three went out. You all wanna see where did we even go and eat? Just wait for that, guys. just came to Bloom Cafe. Like right now I'm just telling you because I forgot to tell, and also we don't have proper lighting. I don't know I'll be doing the video or not, but yeah, this is an update. They're both are chilling, you know. Nice place though. It's good, no? Tell hi.
Hi, welcome to.
You're not doing that. Okay, this is how the day 3 started, and yeah, we all were clicking pictures. That is what it is. And also, right now we all were waiting sir to start the lecture. Okay guys, I'm just gonna mention you something. Like, dude, this person, like this speaker lecture was so good because it was so relatable for my whole life. I don't know how, but yeah. Okay, here I am just giving a review of this course. But guys, you know what? I just spoke about the food, but I don't know how I'm related to food.
Also, I have enjoyed a lot and gained a lot of knowledge over here from past 3 years as we all have done. And also, the scheduling of the time was so good because it was so interactive and it was not boring at all for all of us. And yeah, that was the best part. And coming to the food, thank you so much for that because it was so good. I'm not kidding. But yeah, the food was so good. And I appreciate
What did he say?
Yeah, I did that. And also, lastly, I will never forget, as I've already told about the food. And also, I have a request for ISI. There's nothing but can you give us a certificate, like a hard copy of it and a soft copy, like soft copy. Sorry. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
So guys, I'll be ending this vlog over here. So wait. Bro, tell bye.
Bye, guys.
Okay, bye. Meet you all very soon.
Next week only. She's vlogging. Nothing new to her.
Yeah, true. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.